Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bonjour, bonsoir. So in this video, I'm gonna just talk a little bit about my experience after cutting my locks. It's been almost 3 months, so 2.5 months since I cut my hair. And I'm just gonna talk a bit about the aftermath. And that includes a new scalp condition, people's reactions, and new styling struggles. And I'm gonna address a few questions that I keep getting in the comments. I already made a whole video about addressing people in their comments about why. I already did that. One question that has been very frequently asked is, did I keep my locks? I did. I have them separated from the thinner ones that were around my perimeter, my medium ones, and my thicker ones that were at my crown, just in case I want to reattach them. I have them all together. They still smell so good. As I showed you guys before when I cut them on the video, no buildup whatsoever. No buildup, no lint really. My lint was mostly in the back, my thinner ones, but it wasn't bad enough to see. But in terms of in the root, my scalp is usually very clean, which leads me to the new thing that happened. My scalp went absolutely crazy. I think a week after I cut my locks. The first week it wasn't bad. I was enjoying being bald. Yes, I said bald. Not buzz, I said bald. I was enjoying, because a lot of you keep telling me, no, you're not bald, you buzzed it. No, to my standards, I was bald. But a week later, it was just like, oh my gosh, like my scalp was on fire. I did not know what to do. And really, when I sat there and thought about it and just stepped back and analyzed what was going on, really it was just a sudden change. Honestly, it was just a sudden change. My hair wasn't used to that, and my hair wasn't holding my natural sebum as it would with long hair. So with shorter hair, my hair just went crazy. Over time, as my hair grew it didn't really it kind of stopped. Look at that length check. I'm just kidding. But it stopped, so it's not as bad anymore. And I still do the same thing I did when I had locks. I'm really simple all the way around. I don't do too much ever. At least that's just my personality. When it comes to my hair, when it comes to me and fashion, hair, whatever, like I don't do too much. Like right now I have on a white tee, leggings, and that's it. This is my cousin's shirt, by the way. He has a music production company. You can check him out here on YouTube, Romar Productions. But yes, I still do the same thing. I don't use products like that still. This is a result of a oil and water. Oil and water, slicking it down, brushing it. This is my little go-to part right here when I'm trying to look like you know, something. I had something going on today, something business related, where I had to look a little polished. So that's why my face is done and then my hair is slicked like that. The scalp thing was a huge adjustment for me. Like, I never had dandruff. I've never had a hyperactive scalp, and that's what I thought it was at first, but it's not what it was. My scalp was just really exposed and caused severe dryness. So I had to really find a way to moisturize it. I had to really be diligent in moisturizing it daily. Washing it daily won't do anything, but I was tempted to do that because it was so itchy. However, that's not the source. It wasn't dirty, it was dry. So I had to really get into daily moisture, which I didn't have to do when I had locks. I probably moisturized once a week, to be honest. Okay. And on to the reactions. The reactions that I've gotten in these past 2.5 months have been, I don't know. Like, my oldest sister, she came to see me. Like, I didn't announce to anybody that I was cutting my hair. A lot of you guys on here were like, this was so sudden. Oh my God. It wasn't sudden for me. It's something I've been wanting to do, but I didn't announce it. I didn't feel the need to announce it. Like, I'm not that person that announces things like, I got a new car, I got a new house. Oh my God. That's not me. I feel like life just flows and we should flow with it. When I do announce things, I really have to make an effort to make myself announce things. Yeah, I didn't announce anything. So my older sister, she saw me. She was like, oh my God, what happened to your locks? And she was just like, well, the cut looks good on you. All my siblings said the same thing. My older brother, he was like, why did you cut it? Why? And these were the same people that were like, why you got locks? Why? That's not a good look. So this is a funny story. There's an old man that usually sees me, my husband, and my boys, because we usually take afternoon walks and stuff. He would see us and he would always talk to us. He would always compliment us on being a beautiful family and all of that. And then we took our walk again after my hair was cut, and he was just like, he just kept staring at me like he was just like, that's not the same person. Either he was thinking that's not the same person, or he was thinking his wife was a man all along. Like, that was the look on his face. But luckily for me, I don't care what people think. I don't care how people judge me. If the length of my hair defines my sexuality, my gender, my worth, my beauty to anyone, I don't really care to be around anybody like that. So I don't really care who thinks that way, you know? My husband loves me regardless. He thinks I'm beautiful regardless. Somebody said I should wear earrings so people won't think I'm a man. I don't care. I'm a woman. And I mentioned that I'm a woman, and I attributed my womanhood to having kids and all that stuff. And one of you was like, well, you know, some women can have kids. I didn't mean it like that. I'm talking about me. I didn't say to be a woman, you have to have had kids. I said me. Me. I attribute that my womanhood, my personal womanhood, is inclusive of my personal motherhood. So no, I didn't mean it like that. I do know a lot of women do suffer from infertility, and that doesn't make them any less women. Just like not having hair doesn't make a woman any less of a woman. Breast size, body shape, it doesn't matter. Other reactions on the positive side, I've gotten a lot of compliments. I guess cat calls wouldn't be positive because I don't enjoy them, but I got a lot of cat calls too. I don't know why. I feel like men who don't know me, strange men, you know, stare at me. I mean, as a woman, I think every woman has experienced the whole catcalling thing, but I feel like it's on another level now. Like, I get stared at a whole lot more intensely. And yeah, like, I went to Miami, I believe 2 weeks ago or so, and I was just minding my business, you know, walking down the street, minding my business by myself, and these two gentlemen walked past, and one of them said to the other one, oh, she bald, but she cute. And I just kept walking because that's none of my business. But he was just like, oh, you cute. Hey, you. I just kept walking. It was funny to me. I don't know if he was trying to, what reaction he was trying to get, but it was funny. My kids don't care. Somebody was like, oh, I should listen to my son. Zion doesn't care. Zion, he always tells me I'm beautiful. Like I told you guys before. He loves that my hair's growing back. He loves how it looks. And as for myself, I'm loving having short hair. I'm loving the simplicity. And like I said, all I do is oil and water. I do this little part, you know, to give it a little character. I brush it, and then I tie it down for like 30 minutes or so, take it out, and results. Very easy. Now, as far as styling struggles go, I do find it a little hard to maintain as it's growing out, because when it was short, everything was very very even, but as it grows out, my hair is different textures in different places. So right here, my texture is very thin, very fine. My density is very low right here, but over here is very thick, and it's a bit coarser up here. So it's like, I don't know, style. This is my go-to right now. As it gets a little longer, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because it's getting a little bit awkward. But the trade-off for that is the low maintenance, the simplicity, the fact that I don't have to do much to do my hair. Washing my hair, oh my goodness, that's my favorite part. Washing my hair is a breeze. a breeze. I actually love washing my hair. I have to keep myself from wanting to wash it every day because it's just so easy. All right, and that's it for my hair update. Overall, I have been loving having short hair. Yes, I miss my locks very much. I am still on the fence whether I want to reattach or start brand new, but I know I want to begin another lock journey. I don't want to do the loose natural thing at all. Shout out to my loose natural sisters, but it's not for me. I don't think I've ever spoken about my natural hair journey, but I was natural most of my life, really. Only for 6 years out of my life I had a relaxer, and that's when I moved to the States, and my mom didn't know how to do hair, so she slapped the relaxer on all of us to make it easier for our hair to be done to go to school and stuff like that. But I eventually stopped the relaxer because I didn't personally feel like I needed it. I didn't understand why I was getting relaxers in the first place. My kinky hair was never an issue for me. I never had any of my self-esteem tied to it. So I was just like, no, I don't want to do that anymore. So right before I shipped off for basic training, Army basic training, I had my sister chop it off. And then years later, I started my locks. But yeah, that's it for my hair update, guys. Thank you so much. And for those of you asking, am I selling my locks or donating them? Not as of yet. I'm keeping them just in case I want to reattach them. But if I don't, I will definitely be open to selling or donating. If you would like for me to make hair updates, let me know. I mean, I don't feel like there's much to update you guys on except for the growth and how it's growing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.